Isang pinagpalang araw po sa inyong lahat, bayang karerista. Muli, kwentuhan, balitang karera with Bossing Arriba King. Muli, for today's video ay magbibigay na po tayo ng ating tips and giya para sa araw ng Sabado, unang araw po ng Agosto, August 1 Saturday Racing 2026. At meron pong 7 races ang magaganap ngayon sa Philippine Jockey Club. Tara, pagkwentuhan na po natin to. Maganda po ang lineup. At bago nga po pala tayo magsimula, please subscribe, like, and share at click nyo na din po ang notification bell para updated po tayo palagi sa ating mga bagong video. Dito po sa race number 1, isang mababang grupo kaagad at isang anybody's race sigurado, bayang karerista. At dahil yung iba dito maganda mga kondisyon, mga galing sa panalo, at yung iba naman mga mababa sa grupo. At ang nakatip dito yung numero 6 na si Fly with the Wind na sasakyan ni Mark Alvarez, at yung numero 1 na si Barako Eagles na nanalo lamang kamakailan, bayang karerista. Pero ito po sila Sinag, Pretty Penny, Sky Magic, Jewel of the Nile Potential, halos lahat po yan may mga chamba din, bayang karerista. At dito po talagang kakalat na po kagad ang bentahan. Tignan po natin ang mga latest run ng mga ito, bayang karerista, para may idea tayo sa mga prebahan nila at mga takbuhan. Tara, let's go! Ito po si Barako Eagles, nanalo lamang noong July 26, nagtala ng 1.30. Doon sa may kabilang karerahan, tinalo sila Taipan 1 Super Hook at Sky Plus, 1.30 ang naitala nito. Barako Eagles
came out running to lead on settling down, joined Bondi inside by Sinag. Now your favourite Warena made a par, gets up to third and fourth the outside, then Music and Magic, and then came in the centre closing time about 8 or 9 lengths back to I Love Maddie, and Fly with the Wind is right out of the race at the tail of the field by the 800 metres, and up front now Sinag. He went through to lead in second spot Moderna. Running in third is Warena made a par, fourth on the outside closing time, and then came Music and Magic about 5 back I Love Maddie, and Fly with the Wind is at the tail of the field. They're on the circle 600 metres out. He's gone further ahead on Sinag. He's 2 and 3 in advance of Moderna, very hard ridden. Your favourite Warena made a par, making ground the route. Outside of him is closing time, and even Music and Magic are starting to tack on as they round the bend for home. And Sinag straightens up with a 2-length lead. Warena made a par off his back and chasing, followed then by Moderna. Closing time running on fairly well, still running strongly. Sinag at the 150. The only chaser on the outside is closing time going up the Sinag. Sinag in front, running strongly. Closing time coming late, but too late, and Sinag has beaten closing time. Warena made a par has
At yun po yung panalo ni Sinag noon June 20 dito din sa MMTCI. 1,300 din po ang distansya, katulad ng distansya ngayon. Dito sa PJC nagtala ng 121.4, tinalo si closing time Warena may dapa. At Moderna, si Fly with the Wind, nandito yung makakalaban niya ngayon sa race number 1. Panglima dito si Fly with the Wind. Ito po si Sinag, isa sa mayroong pinakamagandang kondisyon ngayon dyan sa race number 1. Magandang mga ikinikilos ngayon yan si Sinag. At noong July 4, tumakbo ulit si Sinag sa PJC 1,400. Dito, tersero naman siya kay Rodeo Drive at Golden Diet. 1.28 ang naitala sa 1,400. Sinag. At noong July 19, tumakbo ulit si Sinag dito din sa PJC 1,400, kung saan naglutsahan sila ni Marengo. Dito magal si Marengo, naging pangatlo ulit si Sinag kay Coolmam at Early Bird. Anyo 96 Dixis kayang tinalo. 1.29 naman ang naitala nito, Sinag.
Sky Magic, 2 in advance in second spot, Pretty Penny, who's keen to go faster. Outside of Pretty Penny then is Mom Jen, then G's favourite, and Old Forest is just starting to tank on from the tail of the field. Only 4 lengths top to bottom as they swing the circle, and it's still Sky Magic, 2.5 in advance of Pretty Penny, extends that 3.5 lengths in advance of Pretty Penny. Mom Jen came next, followed by G's favourite, and Old Forest hard ridden at the tail of the field. This lead is still travelling very nicely as they run towards the home turn. It's Sky Magic and Pabs Caballero away by 3. The chaser is Pretty Penny, followed by G's favourite Mom Jen, the widest runner. Old Forest at the 200 metres. Pretty Penny went through on the inside of Sky Magic and took the lead away. G's favourite is running on only fairly. It's all Pretty Penny. Pretty Penny darted clear inside the final 150, and Pretty Penny down to the wire is going to beat Sky Magic. G's favourite third, then Old.
At yun ang huling panalo ni Pretty Penny sa 1,300 dito sa PJC May 9, kung saan nagtala ng 122, tinalo si Sky Magic, G's favorite. At ang huling takbo ni Pretty Penny ay noong June 19 doon din sa PJC. 1,200 naman to kung saan nanalo si Glenda's Magic, Bayang Karerista, Bright Mind, Marquez Angel Advocacy at si Prince Arman. Naging pang-anim dito si Pretty Penny. 1.16 ang naitala. Pretty Penny.
As around the boards that top turn, around 750 out, Sky Magic is pressured by Shadow of Sipicata. Getting closer, then is Quite Thunder, and on the back of them there's Go Getting. G's favourite starting to get into the race, working a bit hard to wide out, but going forward. Followed by dropping off Shining Angel, Mom Jen tacks onto the back of them. At the tail of the field then is Private Dining on towards the home turn. Sky Magic travelling well for Hernandez, straightens up a narrow lead. On the outside, G's favourite, the grey, is Go Getting, is going between runners. Over on the inside, Shadow of Sipicot, Sky Magic at the 150. Given a hurry up by Hernandez, Sky Magic in front. G's favourite's got the head on the side. He doesn't want to go on with it, and it's Sky Magic. Sky Magic too good. Sky Magic at the wire beats Go Getting. G's favourite has run.
At yun naman po ang huling panalo ni Sky Magic kamakailan lamang, July 18 dito di sa PJC 1,400. 128.6 ang naitala, 13.24.26 Bayang Karerista. At pumorkas dito si Go Getting na malyalyamado yan sa race number 2. Go Getting.
Is running in fifth. Race against six is Fly with a win. And as approaching now is Lucky Julian. Closing time is racing second last. Then last of all is Sundance. Down the backstretch run, Music and Magic is still a pace setter. Leads by about a neck. Being hounded out by Warina Maidapa. And a length back in third is number one horse, the Heritage. Joining into contention now is a Surplus Boy together with Little Annie. And closing in now is Fly with a win together with Lucky Julian. Closing time now running second last, and Sundance is still last of all around the far turn, matching their strides in a very tight competition. Still between Music and Magic and Warina Maidapa, and still in third position in a hard with any Surplus Boy. Here comes Little Annie together with closing time from up the pace. They are off the stretch. Warina Maidapa by a leg, and flying home now is Surplus Boy on the outside. Warina Maidapa trying to chase back. Surplus Boy kept coming. It's Surplus Boy and Warina Maidapa. Surplus Boy wins the last race, beating Warina Maidapa. Closing time was third, followed by Fly with a win. Heritage
Yun, ang huling takbo ni Fly with the Wind, July 19 PJC 1,400. Nakalaban niya si Surplus Boy, Waray na may dapa at si Closing Time. Pang-apat si Fly with the Wind, 129 ng naitala, Bayang Karerista, at mukhang meron na to, Fly with the Wind. At si Jewel of the Nile ay naging yamado noong July 19 dito di sa PJC 1,400, kung saan ay nanalo ngayon dihadon si Rayhawk. At si Jewel of the Nile lumabas ng bugaw, dumating ng bugaw, Jewel of the Nile, Bayang Karerista. Potential, huling panalo, June 27 sa may kabilang karerahan 1,400, 1.31.4. Awesome Call, Laughing Tiger, Lightning Bolt, Anyari ang tinalo nito, Potential. At noong July 12, tumakbo si Potential, tersero uli kay Iyabada Badurat Raven, 1.30 ang naitala sa 1,400, doon din sa may kabilang karerahan, Potential. So dito po sa race number 1, Bayang Karerista, medyo may kahirapan talaga to. Halos hindi po sila naglalayo-layo ng prebahan at magpapagandahan po ng kondisyon at diskarte to. Dito first choice ko yung numero 2 na si Sinag, na nanalo din nung nakaraan, Bayang Karerista, at magaganda po talaga kinikilos nito. Sana ilabas. First choice numero 2 Sinag, at second choice ko po dito, Bayang Karerista, ito pong numero 5 na si Jewel of the Nile, na palagay ko kalabitin to, Bayang Karerista. Ito naman po kasi si Jewel of the Nile, hindi marunong manalo ng yamado yan, puro dihado yan kung manalo, Bayang Karerista. At isasama ko pong third choice ko, Bayang Karerista, ito nga pong numero 6 na si Fly with the Wind, na sasakyan nga po ni Mark Alvarez. Mayroon silang kabit sa race number 2, yung Little Annie, at tingin ko, Bayang Karerista, si Little Annie malaki ang tsamba ngayon sa race number 2. So dito, Bayang Karerista, 2, 5 at 6, kayo na po bahala magdagdag bawas dyan. Anybody's race po ito, Bayang Karerista, kailangan maka-score tayo. Good luck po dito sa race number 1. At dito na po tayo sa race number 2. Dito po sa race number 2, hindi ko na patatagalin ng kwento. Tingin ko lamang yung numero 6 na si Little Annie. Basta't binigyan lang ng importansya, RCC Masyo ngayon, bayang karerista. Kayang magbanderan tapos nito pagka inilabas to, bayang karerista. Pero palagay ko hindi babandera dahil maraming matulin dito. First choice ko yan, Little Annie. Tingin ko medyo lamang ng kaunti, 1,300. At ang kukuhanin ko second choice, yung couple entry numero 7, Anna Freed at si Old Forest. Etong si Anna Freed, huling takbo nito, medyo hinaltak lang to. Pero tingin ko, pagkakataon na rin ni Anna Freed na makuha ang panalo niya, bayang karerista. So dito, di na ako magmamarami ha. Mababang grupo, anybody's race. Kayo na po bahala magdagdag bawas. First choice sa Little Annie. Second choice, numero 7, Anna Freed at Old Forest. Good luck po dito sa race number 2. At dito na po tayo sa race number 3. Isang anybody's race na naman po ito. Dahil yung mga iba dito, halos lahat to, para panay timbangan. Golden Diet, medyo maganda rin ay kinilos nung nakaraan. Pumorkas kay Flywheel yan, na nag-aasasa na yan. Kaso lang, huli na ang lahat. Dito naman po si Pilderburn. Simula nung sinakyan ni Ejigera, palaging bugaw, pero maganda rin sana ang kondisyon. Dito, bayang karerista, first choice ko yung sakay ni Uno, numero 6, Saratoga Chrome. At ang kukuhanin ko second choice dito, itong numero 2 na si Golden Diet, na tingin ko, bayang karerista, may tsamba. Bagamat mataas sa grupo pero maganda yung kinikilos. 1.27 sa 1,400 nung nakaraang takbo niya. At ang kukuhanin kong third choice dito, yung numero 4 nga po na si Pilderburn, bayang karerista. Kayo na po bahalang magdagdag bawas dito. Ito si Pilderburn, bigyan lang ng importansya kahit si Ejira, kayang-kayang ipanalo. So dito sa 6, 2 at 4, good luck po dito sa race number 3. At dito na po tayo sa race number 4, isa sa mga main event ngayong araw ng Sabado. Manila Bay Calculus, Shiver Me Pink, Andiamo Apirensi, Daily Burn, nandito, Sky Warrior, ito maganda inikilos user, numero 7. Bayang karerista itong mga ito, naglaban-laban na rin ng mga nakaraang araw lang. Tingnan po natin ang mga latest run nito at pagmasdan po natin mabuti kung sino talagang nakakondisyon.
This is gonna rumble, board run positions, 3-2 up, moving up Shiver, meeting on the outside, together with Miso Kala, also moving up Manila TV, down on the inside is Sky Warrior, then next in line, Tabe Wash on the outside, then Campo running by the is Daily Burn, back to the leader. Now we've got entry number 7, Shiver Me Pink, running by the is Sky Warrior, and in third comes Miso Kala, and in fourth, Street Swap, Daily Burn in fifth, then followed in sixth, Tabe Wash alongside Manila TV, then followed by Barang Pasay and Del Campo inside the bag. Here Sky Warrior takes the lead, Shiver Me Pink on the outside, Miso Kala. Here comes Street Swap coming closer in fourth, and in fifth position comes Daily Burn, Manila TV. And it's then Sky Warrior, Shiver Me Pink, Miso Kala on the outside. Street Swap is running by Bella. Sky Warrior, still by a landing, so Kala on the outside. Shiver Me Pink, then Pavadana inside versus Swag Daily Burn. Manila Baby also coming closer. And then Sky Warrior, Miso Kala on the outside. And the third, Shiver Me Pink, then comes Street Swag. Sky Warrior, Miso Kala on the outside, Shiver Me Pink, down on the inside, Street Swag. Now we have Miso Kala takes the lead, running by the Sky Warrior. Street Swag on the outside. Miss Kala by a man can have. And in second is Sky Warrior moving up top and wash that on the inside, Barang Pasay. But it's still Miss Okada, Sky Warrior on the outside. Miss Okada by about 4, and finally Miss Okada, Sky Warriors, next one, top and wash, then comes Manila TV, Batang.
At yun nga po yung naganap na laban ni Sky Warrior, Manila TV, Daily Burn at Shiver Me Pink, kung saan Miso Kala ang nanalo at Sky Warrior nga po yung pumorkas. Manila TV pang-6, Daily Burn niya pang-8 yata to, at nabugaw si Shiver Me Pink na tersero llamado. Tapos noong July 8, tumakbo uli si Sky Warrior kung saan nagkapagpakan sila ni Anytime Anywhere. Pumorkas lang si Sky Warrior, 124.6 ang naitala nito, nananabubo at Tabe Wash ang tinalo nito, Sky Warrior. At noong July 19, muling tumakbo si Sky Warrior at dito nakuha niya ang panalo. Tinalo niya si Generative Longevity at sila Compliance, sila Cara Christie. PJC, July 19, 1,650, 1.40, Sky Warrior, kondisyon na kondisyon.
Racing. It's a good start for all 6 runners. Andiamo Afirense scraping the beat. takes the top spot against Manila today, racing on the outside. Right behind in third is Counter Attack. Daily Burn is running in fourth, that on the inside. Red Pin in fifth. Last of all is the favorite Pirate, but not far behind, 7 to 8 lengths to make up. Down the backstretch run, Manila the Bay takes the top spot against Counter Attack. It's Manila the Bay, and here's a rack attack for Counter Attack, racing on the outside. And catch the top spot now is Daily Bird. Moving into contention once again is Andiamo Firenze. And takes the fifth spot now is the favorite Pirate. Last of all is Red Queen. Around the far turn, Daily Burn and Counter Attack matching their strides together in front. And takes the third spot now is Andiamo Firenze. And here's a big bounty strides now for Pirate. Takes the third spot now, 400 meters south. Daily Burn keep on running strongly beside the rail. Counter Attack fights on and tear off the stretch Pirate. And here's a search for Pirate racing on the outside, but Daily Burn is still keep on running against Pirate, and Counter Attack once again fights on. It's Daily Burn and keep coming is Pirate. Counter Attack, Daily Burn and Counter Attack. And here's the war. Daily Burn upset winner.
At yun nga, yung panalo ni Daily Burn July 5 sa PJC din, 1,400, 1.21. Napakatigas ng pista. Andiamo Firenze, Manila Bay, makakalaban din niya ngayon yan, bayang karerista. Calculus at User, huling takbo noon July 12 sa MMTCI, noong makakalaban nila si Every 4 years at Resonant. Pangatlo si User, pangapat si Calculus dito sa 1,600. So dito sa race number 4, bayang karerista, dyan na wala lagay sa numero 6 na si Sky Warrior na sobrang maganda ngayon ang kondisyon. Walang pinipiling pista, mapa Metro Tarp, mapa PJC, mahusay, 1,400. Tingin ko magkakaubusan na dito yan, bayang karerista, at puro matutulin to. First choice, numero 6, Sky Warrior. At second choice ko yung numero 4 na si Andiamo Firenze, na sasakyan ni NC Lunar ngayon. At third choice ko nga po yung numero 5, Daily Burn, na sasakyan nung nagpanalo sa kanya, Jim El Shego. So kayo na po bahala magdagdag bawas dito, bayang karerista. Sa is 4 at 5 tayo dito. Good luck po dito sa race number 4. At dito na po tayo sa race number 5, 1741 split. Dito po sa race number 5, meron akong dalawang dihado na tingin ko medyo lamang to. Kayang-kayang manalo basta bigyan lang ng importansya, at madedihado to ngayon kaya magandang tayaan. First choice ko dito, numero 2, Waray na May Dapa, sa ni Joner Storke. Ito tingin ko pag talagang binigyan ng importansya to, yung totoong laban, tingin ko kayang-kaya ng manalo, bayang karerista. Kalabitin lang to. Numero 2, Waray na May Dapa. Second choice ko yung numero 8 na si Dixie Sky, na ganun din, bigyan lang din ng importansya, bayang karerista. Baka magbanderan tapos pa dito yan kahit maraming matulin dito. So dito kayo na bahala magdagdag bawas para makapagdagdag kayo. Dalawa pili ko, dalawang dihado. 2, Waray na May Dapa. Second choice, numero 8, Dixie Sky, JB Ponce. Good luck po dito sa race number 5. At dito na po tayo, bayang karerista, sa race number 6 at 42 to 56 split. Magtatapat nga po dito yung dalawang galing sa panalo na parehas impresibo ang panalo ni Shani Treasure sa kay ni JB Hernandez, at yung numero 3 na si Picnic Blanket na sasakyan naman ni Pubs. Na itong dalawa na to, bayang karerista, magkakwadra. Parehas Sordan DS ang may alaga, bayang karerista, Picnic Blanket at Mishani Treasure, at parehas may Uno G's na naitala sa kanilang mga huling panalo dito sa PJC.
In second spot, being hustled up now, Picnic Blanket getting closer and has the inside advantage, followed then by Flying Travels at the 200 meters, Tabby Cat in front. No good thing, Picnic Blanket making a race of it, in fact raced up and took the lead away. Picnic Blanket, Tabby Cat can't find any more, and it's Picnic Blanket in the first of the afternoon. Picnic Blanket races away, beats Tabby Cat a mile back to the rest.
At yun nga po, Picnic Blanket, tinalo yung matulin na Tabby Cat, 23-22-24, 110.4, Picnic Blanket.
Still running strongly, Dagi Tab. Mashani Treasure is trying to get on terms with Dagi Tab. Mashani Treasure starting to rally late, going after Dagi Tab, raced up and hit the lead, and Mashani Treasure, it's 51 for Noni Sword. Mashani Treasure has beaten Dagi.
At ayun nga po, bayang karerista, Mishani Treasure, 23-22-24, pareho ni Picnic Blanket, at ito, Uno G sarado. At ito naman si Dig Deep, na makakalaban din naman nila ngayon, nanalo noong June 19 sa PGC 1200. 1.12 namang naitala nito. Dig deep. So yan, bayang karerista. So dito nga po sa race number 6, dahil nga po sasakay na ulit si JB Hernandez sa Bell Racing. Nung nakaraan kasi si Mishani Treasure, Pabs Cabalejo ang sumakay dyan. Ngayon kay si Pabs Cabalejo dito kay Picnic Blanket. Ang Picnic Blanket nung nakaraan, JME Storking. Ngayon Picnic Blanket, Pabs Cabalejo, tapos Mishani Treasure. Nagbabalik JB Hernandez. Dito, dyan ako sa dalawa, syempre Mishani Treasure at Picnic Blanket. Magkakwadra, bayang karerista. Kayo na bahalang kumuha ng panilat. Good luck po dito sa race number 6. At dito na po tayo sa race number 7. Dito po sa race number 7, natutuhog sa tip yung Lady Bagred, sasakyan ni GL Lazaro. Ako dito, first choice ko yung numero 5 na si Push My Lang. Madedehado to, pero mababa sa laban. Tingin ko mga 2 buwan to napahinga. Puro bandera to, kaso inaabot lang nung nakaraan. Medyo magagaling ang mga nakakalaban nito. Dito, tingin ko medyo mababa siya ngayon. Dehado sa hinete. 5 per Push My Luck, first choice natin. At second choice ko po dito, yung numero 6 na din. Ito, di ko masyadong kursonada dahil malyayamado. Pero, sasama ko na rin second choice, Lady Bagred. At ang third choice natin, yung numero 8 na si Miss Pinkerton, bayang karerista. Ito si Miss Pinkerton, sinubukan nung nakaraan. Tingin ko, meron na rin. So, dito, kayo na po bahala magdagdag bawas dyan, bayang karerista, ha? Maraming matulin, Malibu Bell, Golden Area, Die Will Be Done, matutulin din yan. Pero dito tayo, 5, 6, at 8. Good luck po dito sa race number 7. At mag-shoutout muna po tayo sa ating mga bayang karerista. Shoutout kay Idol JPE TV, pa-shoutout po bossing kina Axel aka ang isang tagay tulog agad ng sulu, at kay Muscleman ang Ramju ng Pandi, Bulacan. Salamat bossing. Salamat po sa mga bayang karerista natin dyan sa may Pandi, Bulacan. At shoutout din po kay Idol Ronald Olano. Shoutout po sa mga kababata ko karerista taga Ampari Street, Barangay Palanan, Makati, kina paring Ernie, Ewoks, Alan at Refax. Shoutout po sa mga taga Makati, bayang karerista natin yan. At alam nyo na, bayang karerista, sa huli kayo pa rin ang masusunod. At good vibes lang tayo palagi. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, bayang karerista.